Have you ever opened a new bank account only to get slammed with unexpected fees? It's one of the most frustrating things about banking, and the only way to avoid it is to know the rules of the game. Today, we're cutting straight to the chase and breaking down the key fees for Patriot Bank accounts so you can keep more of your hard-earned money. We'll focus on the big two, checking and savings. Let's start with checking. Patriot Bank offers a few different checking options, and the most important thing to look out for is the monthly maintenance fee. For a common option like their Patriot checking account, there's typically a monthly fee, often around $12. However, and this is the crucial part, you can usually waive that fee. For the Patriot checking account, that waiver generally comes into play if you maintain a minimum average daily balance, which is often set at $1,000, or if you have a qualifying direct deposit into the account. Make sure you check the current specific requirements for the account you're considering. They also offer options like an e-checking account, which is aimed at low-fee banking, often with no monthly maintenance fee, provided you opt for electronic statements and transactions. If you prefer paper statements, expect a small additional charge. Now, on to savings accounts. A basic Patriot Bank savings account usually comes with a lower monthly maintenance fee. We're talking $5 or so. Again, this fee can almost always be waived, typically by maintaining a much smaller minimum average daily balance, often around $250. This is a common structure for traditional savings accounts. Beyond the monthly fees, there are a few general fees you should know. The big one to watch out for is the overdraft fee or insufficient funds fee. Patriot Bank's fee for an overdraft is generally in line with industry standards, which means it can be on the higher side, around $35 to $38 per item. Always check your account disclosure for the exact figure, and consider linking a savings account for overdraft protection to potentially avoid this fee, though a transfer fee might still apply. Also keep an eye on non-Patriot ATM fees. While Patriot Bank won't charge you for using one of their ATMs, they may charge a small fee for using an out-of-network ATM. On the bright side, some of their premium checking accounts, like the Star Banking account, offer unlimited rebates on those non-Patriot ATM fees, which is a great perk if you travel often. The takeaway? Patriot Bank has options to avoid monthly fees, but you need to be mindful of the minimum balance requirements and your transaction habits. Always read the fine print in the account disclosure and fee schedule before you sign up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.